What's something people don't know about the S26 Ultra? It's not just underwhelming, it's a masterclass in déjà vu. Seriously, didn't we see this phone in 2020? So the S26 Ultra rolled in, pretending to be the king of flagships. But here's the twist. Samsung actually took a few steps backward. The 5x zoom, no more periscope, so forget about crisp close-ups. And that 3x camera? Same old sensor, different year. The display? Still stuck at 8-bit colors. Peak brightness? Meh, 2600 nits. Everyone else is shining brighter. And now the frame is back to aluminum. Because progress, the S Pen, missing those Bluetooth tricks power users love. But here's the real kicker. The Ultra is still rocking that 5000 mAh battery from 2020. 7 years later, rivals are packing 7000 mAh monsters. For something called Ultra, it sure feels safe. Is Samsung losing its edge, or just taking a really long nap?